Small price to pay so you can protect your expensive iWatch. Misxi 2-pack hard PC case with tempered glass screen protector compatible with Apple Watch Series 8 Series 745. Ultrathin scratch resistant overall protective cover for iWatch Sight 7 Black. This item is sold by Misxi. Application compatible with Apple Watch Series 8 Series 745. Anti-shock and anti-fall made of PC material and built-in tempered glass. This case covers the full front and curved edges of the watch and gives your watch full protection. Easy to install. Snap-in design of the Apple Watch case is very easy to install. It can be installed directly without taking off the watch strap. Touch sensitivity. The touching of the screen protector is responsive, giving you a bare metal touch. Kindly tip: if you forget to take it off, you can wipe it out with a cloth or wipes. 4.5 out of 5 stars. The Misxi 2-pack hard has a total of 23,082 reviews. Product linked in the description below. The first comment is from Amy M. Small price to pay so you can protect your expensive iWatch. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I work in a brewery where I get all up in the machines to change settings for a variety of packaging. I wanted to ensure my expensive iWatch is protected. I had purchased other covers, and they could not hold up. This cover is amazing. It has yet to get knocked off or fall off since I put it on. This is the only cover that has been able to accomplish that. The material it is made out of is a decent thickness. It can take the bumps here and there. Does it get scratched? Eventually it does. But nothing is scratch-proof. I am not a fan of the black line around the edges, but once it is on you don't really notice it. I like how each cover comes with a wet wipe. Buying these covers is a very small price to pay so you can protect the investment you made in that expensive iWatch. This comment is from Aragorn. Great quality, protects the watch, works with different versions. 5.0 out of 5 stars. This works on my wife's Watch 6, my Watch 7. Solid quality, easy to put on, not difficult to take off if you know how to do it. Water will cause temporary fog, which will happen with any such protector. Banged my hand accidentally on the side of the case. It protected the watch. I don't care if it covers the watch. Replacing an Apple Watch screen is as expensive as purchasing a new watch, so got this protector for the kids as well. My whole family loves it. Going to order a spare for everyone. At or less than $9.99 for a pair. This is a fantastic deal. Go get it. This comment is from Ryan. It's good for part-time use. 4.0 out of 5 stars. So a lot of reviews say that it gets moisture and such trapped in between the cover and watch face. This is true, which makes it something I don't want to keep on my watch 100 of the time, just when I'm out, because I'm a tall, lanky man who tends to smack his wristwatches on door frames. My dad's Rolex, for example, with a scratch in the crystal. Yikes. So here is my breakdown. Pros: scratch resistant, preserves the screen, good for outdoor use when you're worried it will get smacked or drop. Cons: stuff gets trapped in. Wheel dial is a bit harder to use, and there is pressure on the center which causes the display to be a bit less clear right in the middle. Overall, it does protect the screen. It does go on and come off super easy, and it serves its purpose. But when I'm home or swimming, I take it off. It's just for when I'm walking about, and worth it to have. This comment is from I. Con: exactly what I needed. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I stupidly went hiking in Zion National Park with my watch unprotected. At one point I slipped and scratched the watch face pretty deep against some rocks. My fault. I finally decided to use my Apple Car warranty and replace the watch with another unit. I tried some flimsy screen protectors at first, but I just couldn't get them to work properly. Enter this watch case. Durable, offers great protection, super easy to install, and low profile so people don't even notice that you have a case on at first glance. If I end up breaking these, I will definitely reorder. This comment is from Abby Bishop. Great case, feels secure. 5.0 out of 5 stars. This case was a little confusing at first, and it felt like I was going to scratch the screen, but once I figured out how to get it in place, it snapped on perfectly. I was afraid there were going to be bubbles from the peel-away sticker, but it went on beautifully. I really like how it covers the lock button. It honestly feels very sturdy and secure on my Apple Watch Series 740 ONEM. The touch screen sensitivity is not decreased. It is so far working just the same as it did without the case. I will definitely buy this brand again when it comes time to buy another pack. This comment is from Matthew J. Russin. I had issues with touch sensitivity. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Super easy to install, and they look great. However, I lost sensitivity to touch on my Apple Watch Series 2. Also, I didn't like that moisture would build up underneath when I would get sweaty, either by working out or by other strenuous activity. This seems to be a universal issue with these types of cases. My wife wears a Series 6 and has had no issues with touch sensitivity. Maybe the newer models have better sensors and experiences the same moisture buildup, but it doesn't bother her. It's super easy to remove and wipe off the condensation. The pink rose gold case looks gorgeous with her pink band. I returned mine with no problems and went with an actual adhesive screen protector rather than a snap-in case. This comment is from Robert Williams. Screen protector for Apple Watch. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I don't dislike anything about this. It is a great product and I'll order it again when needed. Great investment. I'm always hitting my watch on something, so I needed a good protection, and this is it. Have tried other things and didn't work. With the other brands I tried, my touch screen didn't work very good, so I had to take it off, but this one is great. I have had no problems with this one. Easily snaps on and touch screen still works perfectly. Mine came with 2 in the package, so it is worth it. Love it. Our first question is from Nick. Is the product safe for health, as long as you don't consume it? Question from Sally A. Is this product good to use? It's important to keep your Apple Watch crystal from getting scratched. It works well. It works well. It's easy to forget it's a cover and not the actual watch screen. It's easy to forget it's a cover and not the actual watch screen. I highly recommend this product. I highly recommend this product. I've bought several of them to change the color of my watch and the bands. I've bought several of them to change the color of my watch and the bands. But most importantly, it protects your watch crystal. For see more, it's important to keep your Apple Watch crystal from getting scratched. But most importantly, it protects your watch crystal from getting scratches. I didn't have one for my first Apple Watch, and the screen had many scratches on it. See less? Question from B. C. Gardner. How long can the product be used? I've only had a few weeks, so I can't really say. So far it has worked well and looks good. Question from Ruth McFarlane. May I know if it is safe to use? I love this watch screen protector. I feel that it is safe to use. I have not found it to be dangerous to use, but I am not sure how someone else might use it different from my use. Question from Mike L. Can you turn the crown with the protective cover on? Yes, but the cover is thick enough that it covers most of the crown, so you pretty much have to turn it from between the bottom and your wrist. Question from GSCC. Is this product really as good as advertised? Yes. Fits as it says, good product. Question from Amazon review from NY. In humid environments, does the cover cause the watch to fog up? Mine was pretty solid until recently. Maybe the weather is so humid but short run and absolutely fog it up and cannot use the watch. Maybe the weather is so humid but short run and absolutely fog it up and cannot use the watch. Touch screen doesn't work when it fogs up as it causes a layer of condensation. Touch screen doesn't work When it fogs up as it causes a layer of condensation. Ok, maybe it's the run. Ok, maybe it's the run. Short walk to the office and also fog it up and touch screen stop. Short walk to the office and also fog it up and touch screen stop. Literally walkie Seymour mine was pretty solid until recently. Literally walking from the train 6 blocks to the office. See less? Product linked in the description below. For more content like this, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you are notified of new uploads. We upload new videos every day. See you next time.